Good morning to day 156. Saturday, as you know, Saturdays and Sundays aren't normally as productive as the rest of the week, but we still have shed loads to do. So we need to go and get the bolts for the 4-foot beam. Hang on the phone, mate. Once the 4-foot beam and the bolts are done, also need to get the 4x2s organised. What else? I need to do a materials list in case there's anything else we need to do, but it's the bolts and the 4x2 at the moment that are needed. The septic tank I'm going to go and check in a minute because it's been sat in there overnight with water in it, so we need to make sure it's sank in straight and properly, and we can start backfilling that today. We've had 12 metres of sand delivered, which is over here. We've got 12 metres of stone being delivered, and we've got lots of concrete, and we're going to be literally making the concrete for the beam. Be a second. The beam's going to be poured this morning, and that's going to be the main thing we're going to physically do. What else? The beams have been poured over here, so we can set the box up around that and start blocking up around there. We've got to sort out the steps today as well, what we're going to do with down here, how we're going to box that up, and how we're going to pour that. And also, once that's filled over here, we can start leveling the back so we can see where we actually are with everything. So that's one thing we definitely need to do. These guys are sorting out a window frame that's been made too big. So yeah, plenty on. So let's go into the main thing. Okay, 20 to 6. Light's still here. The boys have actually done this beam here in one day. So it would have been normally a concrete pour. So it is 20 foot this side, 2 foot wide by 2 foot tall. Stretches across the whole building, across all the columns, and lands up coming into this corner here. How many loads so far has it gone in there, lads? How many?
12.
12.
12.
Jesus.
Yeah, because we had 12 bags of cement.
Yeah.
So it's 2 bags of cement per load. And then we bring up 4, which is 16. And I know that for the bring up 2. So it's about near 20 loads here, big man.
Shit, mate.
That we mixed today. And we had a problem mixing it. What do you think?
Yeah. And is it poured in here as well? This one here?
Yeah, we poured here.
Yeah, this side here?
Everything there, Paul.
Awesome.
You can't up beyond the portal.
Excellent. Oh, the other side? Yeah.
I brought with the pipe.
So in that corner there as well. So that also means that we can actually then come up the blocks level all the way across, blocks across the front. Also means in the middle here, we can take the blocks up now across here, and then obviously the formwork can come up and we can come right across. So today that has been the main goal, plus the carpenters have been finishing off the beam, bolts all the way along. So bolts are in. And you've got more being fitted here, so we need more 4x2s to come across here. More bolts being applied. We'll finish at the front. There we go. So we're going to have to pull that separately. So much concrete that's going to have to go in there. We need to pull that separate, mainly because of the weight. So we need to get that one pulled, let that go off, and then after that, then we should go up and do the roof. So I reckon we should be pouring that probably Monday, Tuesday. And if we can get that pulled Monday, Tuesday, then we'll go for the main roof Wednesday, Thursday. I think that's the main plan. So short video today because I've not been on site a lot. And as much as we've only done 2 things, they've been big things. Finishing off the beam has been #1 priority, and getting that front beam poured is the biggest priority. So glad they've actually got that most of it done. 6 o'clock nearly. We need to give the guys a beer, that's for sure.